Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G smartphone that is claimed to be world's slimmest 8000 mAh curved display smartphone. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs, display, software, a quick look at the camera and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So if you have a look on the retail box, here at the front we got the name of the product, Pova Curve 2 5G, a picture of the back of the smartphone, and we got this nice rainbow color effect. As you can see, that's quite nice and eye-catching. On the back we got the information regarding the hardware specs of the device. So here we got the picture of all three color variants of Pova Curve 2 5G. The one we got inside is Mystic Purple. It comes with huge 8000 mAh battery and it is just 7.42 mm in terms of thickness. So that's quite impressive for sure, as it is claimed to be world's slimmest smartphone with 8000 mAh battery. Because of this, it comes with 20 5G bands with dual signal chipset. We got a 144Hz curved AMOLED display and all scenario AI noise reduction. Here we got rest of the specs, that the device comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7100 processor. The screen size is 6.78 inch and the resolution is 12:8 x 2644 pixels. On the front side we got a 13 megapixel camera and on the rear we got a 50 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel auxiliary camera as depth sensor. Of course it comes with GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. We got OTG as well. When it comes to sensors, we got G sensor, light sensor, hard gyro, in-display fingerprint sensor, IR sensor. The battery capacity is 8000 mAh and it comes with 45-watt charger in the retail box, and we got Dolby Atmos powered single speaker and the device is IP64 rated for dust and splash resistance. It comes with 256 GB storage and 8 GB RAM that can be extended virtually up to 16 GB with RAM increased technology. So let's open our retail box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Pova Curve 2 5G in Mystic Purple. And once again you can see we got some of the specs mentioned here. Licensed by Qualcomm. So the processor we got inside is actually a MediaTek Dimensity processor. So I'm not sure what exactly Qualcomm is doing here, but yeah, we got a sticker. Here we got a sticker and here it says that these are the side port sealing stickers, I believe for better splash resistance. Here we got a case for the back panel, some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. Here is a USB Type-C cable and here we got Tecno's 45-watt charger. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Pova Curve 2 5G. The smartphone, the case for the back panel, USB Type-C cable, some quick start guide, user manuals, warranty card, etc. 45-watt charger and some stickers for sealing the side ports. So here is the Pova Curve 2 5G in Mystic Purple color. So let's switch on the device. After that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Pova Curve 2 5G. So the setup is already done and we are good to go with our Pova Curve 2 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So talking about the design, the very first thing you will notice that how slim and lightweight the Pova Curve 2 5G is, even though it comes with huge 8000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It weighs just 195 grams and it is just 7.42 mm thick. On the front side we got a huge display with officially 93.1% screen to body ratio, and because of the curved edges the bezels are really very narrow. The thickness of the bezels on the sides as well as at the bottom and top are same, and because of this it provides a symmetrical immersive viewing experience to the user. At the top center of the display you will find the punch hole where front facing camera resides. Right above it there is a tiny slit where you will find the earpiece. At the top we got the microphone along with Dolby Atmos branding, and at the bottom we got the speaker grill cable, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and the SIM card tray slot. As you can see, it comes with just one single speaker setup, as also mentioned on the retail box of the Pova Curve 2 5G. On the left side of the frame there is nothing provided, and on the right side we got the volume keys along with the power button that comes with this nice color accent as well as the texture that feels quite nice. But the most interesting part of the design of the Pova Curve 2 5G is the back panel, as it comes with a camera module design that is inspired by the thrusters of a spacecraft, and because of this it looks quite beautiful, eye-catching, unique and quite futuristic. Here we got this outlining. I believe it is the shape of the huge battery we got inside. We got the Pova branding, this red accent once again here, and here we got a nice holographic effect showing the internal components of the device. It's just an illusion. These are not the real components, but it looks pretty realistic and quite nice for sure. And once again it contributes in the overall sci-fi futuristic looking design of the Pova Curve 2 5G. Right next to the camera module we got the Curve 5G branding, and if you have a look on the camera module you can see how beautiful it looks. It also comes with these chamfered edges, and because of that we get this nice reflection of the light from them that looks quite nice and eye-catching once again. The back panels are slightly curved on the edges and the screen is curved as well, and because of this the frame of Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G looks even slimmer compared to how thick it is actually. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and it comes with IP64 water and dust resistance. It would be better if Tecno or the Pova could go with the IP68 that is getting quite common in this price segment recently, and it would be really nice to have a stereo speaker setup on the device. Other than these, everything about the design and build quality of Pova Curve 2 5G is quite impressive and very eye-catching. Because of the slim body and lightweight design, it feels so good while holding the device in hand, and it does not feel like having a huge 8000 mAh battery smartphone in your hand. Now talking about the display, we got a huge 6.78-inch display with 93.1% screen to body ratio. It is 144Hz curved AMOLED display that comes with 429 ppi. Because of this, the display of Pova Curve 2 5G is very sharp. The colors are vibrant, beautiful. The viewing angles are great as well, and because of the curved edges, once again you get an immersive viewing experience on this device. Officially it does not come with any of the HDR certifications, but the maximum peak brightness can go as high as 4500 nits, and because of this you will enjoy watching content on the screen of Pova Curve 2 5G and you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. It also comes with some of the eye care modes like the Sleep Aid mode, eye care, where you can adjust intensity of the colors as well for a better viewing experience. It comes with multiple options for the refresh rate. If you want 60Hz, you can go with the standard. If you want 144Hz, you can go with the high mode, or you can select auto switch to switch between different refresh rate based on the activity you are doing. Since the device does not come with a very powerful processor, the 144Hz is going to be used only with some of the stock Tecno applications and not in the high-end gaming for sure, but I will upload the gaming performance test video of Pova Curve 2 5G very soon, where we will see if it is going to be capable to run any of the games at 144Hz. So if you are interested in watching that video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. At 144Hz refresh rate, as you can see, the display is really smooth, so you will have a nice viewing experience while using the device. Talking about the hardware, it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7100 processor. You got 8GB RAM, and it comes with Meme Fusion that allows you to extend the RAM virtually up to 8GB more for better user experience. It comes with 256GB storage, out of which 21.64GB storage is already consumed by the ROM, pre-installed applications, etc. The bad part is that the Pova Curve 2 5G does not come with a dedicated memory card slot or a hybrid SIM setup. So if you're planning to buy this smartphone, go with the 256GB version, because if you buy the 128GB version, it will be full pretty fast, and then you won't be able to expand the storage as it does not come with any option for the memory card. It is also claimed to be world's first smartphone to come with triple chipset signal enhanced system, as it comes with an additional self-developed G1 signal chipset along with SE1 Wi-Fi chipset. It also comes with free link that allows you to call other free link users without using the network signal. So this is a nice feature that you can use in the emergency situations if there is no mobile signal coming to your device and you are lucky enough to find other free link users around you. In terms of battery, we got an 8000 mAh lithium ion battery with 45 watt wired charging. Of course, it does not come with a wireless charging capability. We got multiple user mode in the battery settings, and as you can see, there is no turbo settings or ultra power performance, something like that, because the processor itself is not that capable. Then we got a good amount of power saving modes, as you can see, and it also comes with multiple options for battery health and charging, where you can use the AI charging protection, custom charging protection. You can select the charging speed between the smart charge and low temperature charging. It also comes with reverse wire charging, bypass charging, and charging safety protection. On the software side, the Pova Curve 2 5G comes with Android 16 with iOS 16.1 on top of it, and the iOS is pretty feature rich when it comes to options and settings, as it comes with a set of AI applications under the Tecno AI section. You can see we got a good amount of AI based features here. It also comes with lots of options for wallpaper customization, some advanced options under the accessibility, and many more other features that you can use to improve your productivity on Pova Curve 2 5G. It also comes with this unique theme and icons that you will find on Pova series smartphones, and as you can see, it looks quite beautiful and unique for sure. And as I have mentioned, the user interface is really smooth and it's going to provide an overall nice user experience for sure. It also comes with its own Ella AI assistant that you can use for better productivity, to ask some questions, perform various activities on your device, once again for better user experience. Now talking about the camera, on the front side we got a 13 megapixel front facing camera, and on the back we got 50 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and this third lens is nothing but just for the decoration purpose. So basically you can consider just one single camera on the back of the Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G. If you launch the camera application, you can see that it comes with this AI cam photo mode, where you got the 2x toggle for the zoom, but it's going to be purely digital. And then we get the option for the HDR, color style, aspect ratio, there's photography guide as well, and then we got the live photo, AI focus, timer, watermark, etc. If we go to the video mode, here you can see that it comes with the stabilization. We can select 2K resolution videos up to 30 fps and 1080p resolution videos up to 60 fps. There is no 4K video recording and no stabilization available at 60 fps mode. You also get some of the filters and effects that you can apply while recording the video. Then we got the AIGC portrait mode, that is going to be the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. Then what we got is a separate portrait mode, zoom level 24mm, 35mm, 50mm. We got this super night mode, and if you go to more, here you can see that we got plenty of options like the Sky Shop, Pro Mode, Panorama, Document, Time Lapse, Dual Video Recording, Vlog, Slow Motion, Super Macro, and Ultra HD as well. So even though the Pova Curve 2 5G comes with just one useful camera on the back, as you can see we got still good amount of features and options here. So that's quite nice for sure. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our future videos, but right now it's looking pretty feature rich. But it would be really nice if we had an ultra wide angle lens at least on Pova Curve 2 5G, if not the dedicated telephoto lens, because in this price segment nearly all of the smartphones come with a wide angle lens for sure. So overall the Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G is looking a pretty solid smartphone, as it comes with massive battery, a very beautiful fast AMOLED display, nice build quality, a very futuristic looking beautiful eye-catching back panel, Dolby Atmos powered speaker, and a very feature-rich iOS 16.1. Some of the drawbacks that I have noticed in this first impression video is the lack of a memory card slot, just one single camera on the back, and a slightly lower IP64 water and dust resistance compared to the other smartphones in the price segment. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Pova Curve 2 5G like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, comparison with other smartphones, etc. will be uploaded very soon. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.